Good afternoon, children. Yes, are you ready for dictation? Okay. You can see there are 7. As usual, you should write the words. You pause the video and write the words. Hope you have finished writing. Shall we discuss then? Right. First one, please help me. First one, what is it? Picture. How do you write picture? How did you write? Give me the spellings. P-I-C. Pic. T-U-R-E. Chair. P-I-C. Pic. T-U-R-E. Chair. You know the way of writing nature. Nature. You know to write nature. Here the same letters. Ch. Nature. Ch. Here pic. Ch. Same letters. Ch. Nature. Nature. Picture. Picture. Right? T-U-R-E. Right. Number 2. Children's park. How do you write children's park? C-H-I-L-D. Children. Children's apostrophe S. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Right. Third. Playground. You wrote it. You should write it as a single word. Playground. P-L-A-Y. Play. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Single word. One word. Right. Then beach, you know. Beach. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Right. Then there's a question. What did you write there? Yes? That's right. Where do you go at weekends? Capital W. Where do you go at, let's write it here. Where do you go at weekends? At weekends. Should put a question mark. Right? Correct. Mark your books yourself. Then next one. Yes, it's about Nisal. Nisal, yes, goes, come on, to the beach at weekends. Nisal goes to the beach at weekends. Full stop. Not a question. Full stop. Right. Then next one. Yes. That is I. You should start I. I got to the playground at. Here one word missing, my dear. Yes, one word missing, you know. You have the word list with you. I'm extremely sorry about this. Yes? You pause the video and make it correct. Make the sentence correct and rewrite the answer. Pause the video and rewrite. Okay, enough time. Let's discuss. What did you write here? Yes, I go to the playground. One word, playground. At weekend. Weekends. At weekends. I go to the playground at weekends. Here, Nisal goes. I go. You should write it in this way. Nisal goes. I go. Nisal goes. I go. Come on. Nisal goes. I go. Come on. Nisal goes. I go. Okay. There are 7. Altogether there are 7 marks out of 7. Yes. I know there are a lot. That 7 out of 7. Right? Put your marks here. Yes? Okay. Right. Is about a cleaning campaign. A cleaning campaign. A cleaning campaign. What is a cleaning campaign, children? Have you seen a cleaning campaign? Have you participated to a cleaning campaign? Sometimes you may. And your parents, they definitely have participated to a cleaning campaign on behalf of you. Isn't that so? First, tell me what a campaign is, children. Campaign. Have you heard the word campaign somewhere? Yes. Campaign is an action to achieve a goal. In another way, I can say there in a campaign, a group of people work together to achieve a goal for a purpose. They work for a purpose. They are trying to do something as a group. They have a plan and they work together in different ways to get what they want. Is a campaign. It's a campaign. What is that word? Campaign. Tell me everybody. Campaign. Yes, come on. Campaign. Repeat that word. Campaign. Let's watch some campaigns now. Here actually I have a video, but it's better to watch these campaigns first. Let's watch some campaigns. Okay, here you can see a campaign. A campaign. It is a scouting campaign. Scouting campaign. See? Scouting campaign. What are the spellings for campaign, children? Campaign. C A M P A I G N. Again. C A M cam. P A I G N pain. Campaign. Campaign. Here you can see a scouting campaign. You know the scouting campaign. We have a scouting campaign in our school also, right? You know this very well. It's familiar to you all, right? See, there's another campaign. It is Girl Guides campaign. Girl Guides campaign. Here also you can see some girls. They are in a campaign. Girl Guides campaign. Girl Guides campaign. Campaign. Right? What about this one? Here. This is also a familiar group. Here also you can see a group of people. They work together. They are trying to do something. They work as a team. They work to a plan. And they work together in different ways to obtain, to get what they want. They have a goal. Yes, what is this campaign? It is the Red Cross campaign. Red Cross campaign. 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 Red Cross campaign. You can see a group of people, a team here. Right. What about this one? It is also, you can see the word also, Red Cross. It is written here. Red Cross Society, Sri Lanka Red Cross Society. Yes. Red Cross campaign. They work to a purpose. Right? Red Cross campaign. Red Cross campaign. Right. Here there's another campaign. You can see the word campaign. See the word campaign. Yes. What is that campaign? What is this campaign? You have heard about this. You know. There are a lot of notices. Right? Campaign. Yes, this campaign is a blood donation campaign. Blood donation campaign. You can see a drop of blood here. A drop of blood. See? Yes, a drop of blood. You know, we all have blood in our body. Without blood, we can't live. Here you can see a drop of blood, right? So, here it is written as blood donation campaign, right? It is a notice. Notice. See, once again. Blood donation campaign. You can see the word campaign. Here you can see the notice. You can see a drop of blood clearly. Right. See, blood donation campaign. Right. Again, another blood donation campaign, a notice. Here you can see a notice. It is written in Sinhala and English both. You can see a nice notice regarding blood donation campaign. Right, okay. Now you know the word campaign very well. You understood the word campaign very well now. Now let's see a campaign. It is a special one, specific one. It is a cleaning campaign. A cleaning campaign. It is not like this. This campaign is for cleaning. The purpose of the campaign is cleaning. Let's see. There's a video for you. First of all, you watch this cleaning campaign. There's a cleaning campaign in this video. Let's watch. Now you watch a video about a cleaning campaign. A cleaning campaign. It is about a beach cleaning campaign. About the beach cleaning campaign. Right? You can see a word as Rumasala. Can you see? Rumasala. Rumasala. Yes. Here Rumasala. The South Beach is situated in Unawatuna. Have you heard about Unawatuna? Unawatuna, you have heard about Unawatuna sometimes, but you don't have. You don't know about Rumasala, I think. Some of you know. Some of you know these things about Rumasala. It is close to Unavattuna. Actually, it is known as a jungle beach. Jungle beach. Here you can see the jungle. Jungle beach close to Galle. Right? You know Galle and Unavattuna both. Right? Here you can see a cleaning campaign, a beach cleaning campaign. Let's see. See a group of people working together. They work together to a purpose, one purpose. Let's see their purpose. They are cleaning the beach side. You can see there are garbage bags and you can see lot of garbage everywhere in the beach due to the activities of the visitors. The beach side is polluted. You can see garbage bags. They have collected a lot of garbage bags. They have collected the garbage to bags. See, they are still collecting garbage. They clean up the place on World Cleanup Day. It's a special day. They have selected, that is a clean up Rumasala. Here can you see? They have selected to clean that beach in Rumasala in a special day. It is World Cleanup Day. World Cleanup Day, right? Okay. So it is a beach cleaning campaign. You saw a beach cleaning campaign. What else? What are the other cleaning campaigns you have heard? You have seen? Yes, tell me, my dear. What else you have heard or you have seen? Other cleaning campaigns. Are there any cleaning campaigns in your school? Yes, why not? There are school cleaning campaigns. Let's see. Let's watch a school cleaning campaign. Okay. See. Okay, this is a school cleaning campaign, as I said. School cleaning campaign. See the word cleaning campaign. Cleaning campaign. You saw earlier a beach cleaning campaign. Here you can see a school cleaning campaign. Can you see? A group of children are working together to a purpose. Their purpose is cleaning the school environment. They are cleaning the school area, the school premises. See, here you can, they may be their parents. They are also gathered. They work together as a group in the school cleaning campaign. Here, see, they are also cleaning the school premises. What about this one? You saw this earlier also. It is the beach cleaning campaign. You can see heaps of garbage. They have dumped. The visitors, bad people have dumped garbage everywhere. They have polluted the the beach side, they have polluted. So they work. Here you can see a team, a group. They work together to clean the beach side. So it's a beach cleaning campaign. A beach cleaning campaign. Once again you can see. See, the beach side is polluted by bad people, right? And there's another cleaning campaign. It's hospital cleaning campaign. A hospital cleaning campaign. You can see there are some people, they are cleaning the hospital premises. See, they are cleaning outside. See, hospital cleaning campaign. People work together. Right? They work together for one purpose. See, right? Okay. Now, children, tell me, what do we bring? What do we take to clean? Yes, what do you want to clean the place? When you do a cleaning campaign, what do you take? Come on. What do you bring to clean the place? Yes, very good. We bring garden tools. Here you can see 2 garden tools. You have learned about garden tools. A lot of garden tools. Here you can see 2 garden tools. What are they? A curl broom. Here you can see a hoe. And here you can see a bin. Garbage bin. See, a garbage bag also. Here you can see a bin. Here you can see a bin. Right? We use big bins here. Actually, this is a very big bin. See, we use big bins to collect garbage. And also you know about wheelbarrows, rakes, shovels. We use all these things to clean the premises. We use these things in a cleaning campaign. Right? Okay. Right? Now, shall we move on to our pupils book? Yes, you move on to your pupils book and turn to page 31. Right? Here, page 31. You got the page? Page 31. Right. See. Lesson 7. Listen and find answers. Yes, you can see our friend Happy Cloud here. There are 2 sentence patterns. It is and there is. It is and there is. You can see those 2 sentence patterns. Right? See, let's see. Yes, there is, read after me, there is a cleaning campaign in Varuni school. There is a cleaning campaign in Varuni school. A cleaning campaign, you got this word. A cleaning campaign. We saw this one. Where is the cleaning campaign? The cleaning campaign is in Varuni school. In Varuni school. What are the other places you saw? Where are the other places? You saw the cleaning campaigns earlier. Yes, you saw cleaning campaigns in the beach. Not Varuni school, you saw in the beach. So you can see there is a cleaning campaign in the beach. And you saw a cleaning campaign in the hospital. In a hospital. So you can say there is a cleaning campaign in the hospital. And you saw a cleaning campaign as same as Varuni's in a school. So you can say there is a cleaning campaign in the school, in my school, or in a school, right? We can change this word, Varuni's school, according to the place, right? Cleaning campaign. And also, can you remember, my dear, there you saw some notices. Here also you can see a notice. See the spellings. Notice, how do you write notice? Come on. N-O-T-I-C-E. 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 Notice. Like not ice. The spellings, two words gather as not, N-O-T, not, I-C-E, ice, not ice. See, you can easily remind the spellings when you remind not ice, notice. But don't say it as not ice. It is notice, right. Cleaning campaign. Again you can see in the notice, you can see the word cleaning campaign, right? So here what do you mean by a notice? What do you mean by a notice? Yes, what is a notice? Come on, who can tell me? Yes, very good. Notice is a written or printed, sometimes maybe printed ones. Printed, a piece of information. Here it is given some information. Information, what do you mean by information, my dear? Toro. Yes. From these notices we can get information. Right, here also there is an information. Let's see. And we can say, in a way, we can say it conveys us a message. Conveys a message to a group of people. Sometimes there may be the group in the school children, or children in a classroom, or the people in the society. සමාජයේ ඉන්න මිනිස්සුන්ට මෙසේජ් එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් notice එකකින්. ඉස්කෝලේ ඉන්න ළමයින්ට මෙසේජ් එකක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, right, let's see. So there, you should know these notices are very short. They are very short. It display some information about something, maybe an event, or maybe a sports meet, sport event, or a celebration. What do you mean by a celebration, Puti? Yes, මොනවා හරි උත්සව සැමරුමක් ගැන notice එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Or a school trip එකක් ගැන notice එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Or an event එකක්, අවුරුදු උත්සවයක් ගැන. මොනවාම හරි ඒ වගේ incident එකක් ගැන giving information. අපිට තොරතුරු දෙනවා, announce කරනවා. It announces means giving, conveys a message. conveys us a message, right? Through the notice, right? Right. So, how do you identify a notice? කොහොමද notice එකක් අඳුරගන්නේ? How do you identify a notice? In a notice, you can see the word notice on the top. මේ word එක notice කියන word එක උඩ තියෙනවා notice එක. You can easily identify. And you can see a title. This is the title. මොකද පුතේ title කියන්නේ මාතෘකාවක් තියෙනවා notice එක. මේ තියෙන්නේ මේ notice එක about a cleaning campaign. Cleaning campaign එකක් ගැන තමයි. And it include a date එකක් include වෙලා තියෙනවා. And time also included. Time is included. And place, it is included, the place also. Date, time, place. Let's highlight those three words. Only date, time, I underline them. Date, time, and place. Right. Place that where it is, right? Where is the cleaning campaign? Where it is? Where is the cleaning campaign held or held, right? The place. And also you can see some details in brief. Here are some details in brief. තව පොඩි details ටිකක් අපිට දීලා තියෙනවා notice එකේ. මොනවද අපි ගේන්න ඕනේ? Here, please bring garden tools. You can see the word garden tools when you come to the school, right? It is for children and parents, students and parents both. They are the details, right? And the notice is written by Eco Friends Club, and the date written date is given 12th, yes, May 2019. Eco Friends Club, right? Now I think you got the idea about notices, right? No need to keep all these things in your mind, but you should follow this very well, right? Now tell me, where can you see these notices in your school? Now sometimes you may have seen these notices in your school. Where you can see? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, they are displayed on the notice board. Do you know the notice board in your school? In our school, there's a big notice board in front of the office, in one side of the office. Yes, in the left side, right? There's a notice board. These notices are displayed on the notice board. So we conveys messages like the cleaning campaign through notices. If you are the monitor in the classroom, if you are the monitor in your classroom, or if you are a member or a leader of a club in your school, in our school, you should know these things. Notice එකක් දාන්න වෙනවා monitor වෙලා ඉන්නවා නම්, leader කෙනෙක් නම් ඉස්කෝලේ scouting වල lead කරනවා නම් මේ notices ගැන දැනගන්න ඕනේ. ඒ leaders කට දාන්න notice ඕන වෙනවා දැනගන්න. They should know these things because they give the message about their club or something, right? Okay. Now I'm going to ask you few questions. Before that, let's just go through the notice here. I'm going to read. You should follow me. Notice: cleaning campaign. Date: Sunday, the 25th of May. Time: from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. a.m. in the morning. Here a.m. it's morning time, right? a.m. right. Then the place Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. Their school name is Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. Eco-friends are in Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. We invite all the students and parents. Please bring garden tools to clean the school. Please bring garden tools to clean the school. 12/5 2019 Eco-friends Club. Eco-friends, you know this word. Can you remember this word earlier? We learned this in grade 3 also. Eco-friends, the nature lovers, those who love the nature. Yes, this notice is written on 12th May 2019. 12th May 2019. Right, okay. Now I am going to ask you my questions. Some questions from you. Yes, you just read and try to give the answer. What is this? What is this about? What is this about? What is this? Very good. It is a notice. It is a notice. What is this notice about? What is this notice about? What is it about? It is about a cleaning campaign. It is about a cleaning campaign. What is the date then? What is the cleaning campaign is going to held? Yes? It is going to be held on, yes, come on, it is Sunday. Yes, Sunday, you can see the 25th of May. Sunday, the 25th of May. Right? What is the time then? Tell me the time. It is from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. What is the place? It is Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. Who organizes? Who organizes this campaign? Who organizes this campaign? Tell me, this cleaning campaign. Yes, who organizes it? That's right. The Eco-friends Club. The Eco-friends Club organizes the cleaning campaign. Right? Okay. Here you have some sentences down. Let's see. See. Now complete. Let's complete the following sentences. These sentences. Yes. You also try to help me. The notice is about a. Yes, come on. It is about a. Very good. Cleaning campaign. Notice is about a cleaning campaign. Right. You should write these 5 sentences in your extra activity book. You should complete all blanks, write, fill the blanks and rewrite these 5 sentences in your extra activity book. Right? Full stop. Okay. Number 2. The date is. What is the date there? Follow the book and tell me. Yes, it is Sunday, the 25th of May. Sunday, the 25th of May. May, right. Okay, you should rewrite these things in your extra activity book. Rewrite these 5 sentences. Okay, number 3. Right. The time is from. Time is from, come on, 8 a.m. 8 a.m. A dot m dot. Right, dot. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. 11 a.m. a.m. is morning time, before 12 o'clock, right? 12, before 12 in the daytime is morning. Number 4. Let's change the color here. Right. Number 4. It is at. Where is it? What is the, where is the cleaning campaign? It is at Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. Bingiriya, you should start in a capital B. It's a name. Bingiriya is a name of a town. Name of a town, right? Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. Mahavidyalaya. Right. It is at Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya. Right. Write these 5 in your extra activity book and send me back through WhatsApp. I want to see these things, so do this one quickly and send me. Upload to your group. Last one. Organizes. Organizes eat. Who organizes this? Eco Friends Club organizes it. Eco Friends Club. Eco Right. Eco-Friends Club organizes 8. Okay, right. Now let's move on to our workbook. Now wait a minute, my dear. Did you see the sentences in Happy Cloud? Yes, in the Happy Cloud it is said there is sentences and it is and there is, it is and there is. Did you see the sentences? Here you can see there is pattern, sentence structure, there is a cleaning campaign, right? And what about it is? It is at. Right? There is and it is. You can see both sentence structures here. Right. Okay, now let's move on to our workbook. Quickly move on to your workbook and turn to page 33. Page 33. Ready? You got the page? Right, see? Okay, page 33, lesson 7. The grade 4 students of Bingiriya Mahavidyalaya made some posters. They have made some posters. See, you saw the word posters. P-O-S-T-E-R-S. Posters. Read and complete. Now you can see 2 posters here. 2 posters. You know posters. You can see posters everywhere. In public places also. When we travel somewhere, we can see lot of posters everywhere. Right? See, this is one poster. Yes, this is one and the green one is the other one. 2 posters can be seen. Yes, don't throw everywhere. Here you can see a word. You know this word is a well-known word. Use the again familiar word. We discussed about these 2 words. Yes, don't throw everywhere. Can you build up a word using these letters? Very good. Don't throw garbage. Litter. Rubbish. Garbage. How do you write garbage? G-A-R-B-A-G-E. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Garbage, right? Then don't throw garbage everywhere. Use the. Yes, what is that missing word here? Bin, correct. Use the bin. You can put the garbage into a bin. Don't throw everywhere. Bin. Use the bin. Right? Full stop. This is one poster. Here you can see a blue colored poster. It is said as don't throw garbage everywhere. Use the bin. Second one. Below one is a green one. Green poster. Keep your classroom. It is about your classroom. Keep your classroom. Yes. What is the word? A verb. Clean. Clean. How do you write clean? C-L-E-A-N. 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 Clean. Keep your classroom clean. You can keep your classroom clean when you do cleaning, classroom cleaning campaigns every time, right? There are tree planting campaigns also in our country. You have heard these things, I think. Health campaigns these days in our country, right? Okay, you put this word in this blank. Let's take this to the blank. Okay children, that is all for today. I will send some dictation words also, only 5 words for today. You should study them well and get ready very well, prepare well for the next lesson. Okay, see you then. Have a nice day.